Next are articulation markings. Articulation is the way notes are played in a piece of music. There are many different symbols that can be used to indicate the articulation of certain notes in a piece. Here are some of the most common symbols. A dot placed above or below a note means to play the note staccato, which also means short and detached. This is what it would sound like in a piece of real music if all the notes were played staccato. A small curved line under a group of usually 2 or 3 notes is a slur, which indicates that notes should be played smoothly and connected. And here's what it would sound like in a real piece of music. Longer lines placed above a larger group of notes are known as phrase marks, which group notes together into musical phrases. You can hear the 2 musical phrases that I play when I play the first part of Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. That's phrase 1. And that's phrase 2. On the screen now are different kinds of accents. The accent to the left, which looks like a sideways triangle, means to play a strong emphasis at the beginning of a note, which then softens, which would sound a bit like this. And here's what it would sound like if I played all the notes in Twinkle Twinkle with this accent. The accent to the right is a marcato accent, which looks like a vertical triangle, and this means to play the note with a short and forceful attack, which would sound a bit like this. And here's what it would sound like if I played all the notes in Twinkle Twinkle with this accent. A short line placed under or above a note is known as a tenuto, which means to play a note for its full value. Here is what it would sound like. And finally, we have a pause, which tells a musician to hold a note or chord or rest longer than its written duration. Here is what Twinkle Twinkle would sound like with a pause at the end of each phrase. Articulation markings are important because they reflect the style of a piece.